It's well, you know what the fishing has been. It's been scarce and hard and cruel, but this day, by God, we sure caught cod, and we laughed and sang like fools. I'll go to sea no more. Sure, I'll never know what it was we struck, what strike we did like thunder. John Price gave a cry and slipped overside. Now it's forever he's gone under. I'll go to sea no more. My God, I cried as she went down. That boat was like no other. My father built her when I was 9 and named her for my mother. I'll go to sea no more. Ah, but sure I could have another built in the boatyard down in Dover, but I would not love the keel they lay, like the one the waves roll over. I'll go to sea no more. So come on, you lads, draw near to me, that I be not forsaken. This day was lost, the genie sea, and my whole life has been taken. I'll go to sea no more. I'll go to sea no more. Nice Canadian song there. On that note, I'm not even sure what that note was. I'm going to take a short break for 5 minutes. If you like songs like that, they're available on my new CD. And you can get one of those simply by talking to the drummer. You've been very patient through that song. I appreciate it. And I'll be back with really happy songs in about 20 minutes. Thank you. Stick around.
Thank you. Oh, it's a great song, man. I've never sing that song. I think I learned the first song. Did you ever hear him live? Amazing. 33. Oh, you want to have a look? Sure. Sure. I can't remember.
I go up players all the time.